Brace yourselves for the countdown to the ultimate gaming PC, built under $1,500, where performance meets value in a perfectly balanced rig. We're dialing in hardware that can crush 1080p with high frames and push 1440p to the max without blowing the budget. From a solid-looking case to a humming CPU and GPU combo, these picks are built for smooth gameplay, fast load times, and easy upgradability. Stick around to see how each component stacks up in real-world gaming scenarios and what compromises you might be willing to make. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that being said, let's begin. At number 10, we have the HP Ryzen 7 laptop. This model channels serious multi-core muscle into a portable chassis built for gaming on the go. The Ryzen 7 CPU drives smooth frame rates in esports titles and modern indies, while 16 gigabytes of memory and a fast NVMe drive keep multitasking and load times snappy. 15.6-inch display pairs with a capable GPU integration for 1080p color and decent contrast, and a sturdy keyboard helps long sessions. The cooling system is tuned for sustained loads, so you won't see wild throttling after a few rounds. Battery life stretches to a workday with light gaming, though gaming sessions will draw power quickly. Port selection includes USB-C, HDMI, and multiple USB-A, plus a microSD slot. Compared to the Asus VivoBook Go, which I have included as number 9 on this list, this HP model leans heavier on raw CPU power and memory capacity, making it a strong budget gaming option for students who want horsepower without a premium price. At number 9, we have the Asus VivoBook Go. Travel-friendly, all-around performer that balances portability with real-world speed. It ships with a modern multi-core processor, 8 to 16 gigabytes of memory, and a fast NVMe drive, delivering snappy boot times and quick app switching. 13 to 15.6-inch panel offers comfortable viewing and slim bezels, while the keyboard provides comfortable travel for long sessions. Integrated graphics handle light gaming and older titles at modest settings, and the fans stay reasonably quiet under load. Battery life easily covers a school day plus a few gaming breaks. A versatile port set includes USB-C and full-size USB, plus an SD card reader. Compared to the HP Ryzen 7 laptop, which I have included as number 10 on this list, the Asus VivoBook Go emphasizes portability and value, not pure raw CPU muscle. At number 8, we have the HP laptop for students. This budget-friendly machine is designed for everyday tasks: web browsing, writing, streaming, and light creative work. It typically ships with an efficient Intel or AMD CPU, 8 GB of RAM, and a fast SSD, giving snappy wake and resume. 14-inch or 15.6-inch display keeps costs down while delivering comfortable viewing, and the keyboard is comfortable for campus hours. Battery life is solid for class days, and the chassis is light enough to ride between dorms. For gaming, expect older titles at lower settings. Cloud gaming can bridge the gap for newer releases. Compared to the Asus VivoBook Go, which I have included as number 9 on this list, this HP laptop targets price-conscious buyers who still want a modern laptop experience. At number 7, we have the Lenovo V15 laptop. Larger screen option with a practical, business-friendly design that favors endurance and upgrade potential. The 15.6-inch panel gives you more workspace for multitasking and late-night project work, while a reliable quad or dual-core CPU handles everyday tasks with ease. RAM configurations typically reach 8 GB or more, and SSDs of 256 GB or higher keep apps loaded fast. The keyboard is comfortable, the trackpad precise, and the chassis remains sturdy through daily use. For students aiming to game occasionally, the integrated graphics handle many titles at reduced settings. Compared to the HP laptop for students, which I have included as number 8 on this list, Lenovo V15 leans toward expandability and all-day usability in a campus life. At number 6, we have the Nemo 15. 6-inch laptop. This model balances a bigger display with flexible performance, making it a solid mid-range pick under the limit. Expect a multi-core CPU paired with 8 to 16 GB of memory and a fast SSD, delivering responsive multitasking for research, coding, and light content creation. 15.6-inch panel delivers immersive viewing with decent color and brightness for daily use. The keyboard and palm rest are comfortable for long typing sessions, while the built-in webcam and speakers are adequate for classes and calls. Gaming is possible at modest settings, especially esports titles that favor CPU power. Compared to the Lenovo V15 laptop, which I have included as number 7 on this list, the Nemo emphasizes display size and practical performance balance. At number 5, we have the Student Laptop 15. 6 FHD, a true all-rounder that prioritizes a crisp 1080p display and steady everyday speed. It pairs a capable quad-core processor with 8 GB of memory and a fast SSD, giving you quick boot times and smooth app flows. 15.6-inch FHD screen makes media and schoolwork more comfortable, while the keyboard is sturdy enough for long hours of typing. Thermal performance is designed for sustained use without throttling, and connectivity covers Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, USB-C, and HDMI. Gaming performance is solid for indie and esport titles at medium settings. Compared to the Nemo 15.6-inch laptop, which I have included as number 6 on this list, this model emphasizes a well-rounded screen and solid system balance. At number 4, we have their HP 14 laptop. Compact 14-inch option that blends portability with productivity, ideal for tight dorm rooms and campus libraries. It usually ships with an efficient mid-range processor, 8 GB of memory, and a fast SSD, delivering quick app launches and reliable multitasking. 14-inch panel remains readable outdoors, and the keyboard is comfortable for long sessions. Port selection includes USB-C for charges and peripherals, plus HDMI for external displays. Battery life is solid enough to last a day of classes, with standby power when you need to squeeze in a few more tasks. Compared to the student laptop 15.6 FHD, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the HP 14 laptop trades screen real estate for compact convenience and travel-friendly weight. At number 3, we have the Apple MacBook Air M4. This premium Ultrabook blends efficiency, portability, and longevity, backed by the M4 chip's unified memory architecture and energy-efficient performance. The fanless design keeps things quiet while delivering desktop-class responsiveness in macOS software, creative tools, and gaming titles that scale well on Apple Silicon. 13 to 14-inch display offers sharp color and high brightness, and the keyboard and trackpad set industry standards for comfort. Battery life easily spans a workday, even with brighter displays and moderate gaming. Build quality is exemplary, with a slim chassis and careful thermal management. Compared to the HP 14 laptop, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the MacBook Air M4 prioritizes software ecosystem and efficiency over expandability. At number 2, we have the Acer Chromebook Plus 515. Versatile Chrome OS machine designed for speed and simplicity, with plenty of hours of battery life and a lightweight chassis. This Chromebook focuses on cloud and Android app gaming, plus web-based titles that run smoothly on a modern Intel or ARM processor. 14-inch display is comfortable for long sessions, and the keyboard offers reliable travel for notes and coding. Memory typically ranges 8 GB, and storage is cloud-first with optional small local SSD. Rugged chassis suits daily commuting and classrooms, while quick boot times keep you productive. Compared to the Apple MacBook Air M4, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the Acer Chromebook Plus 515 prioritizes browser-based work and battery longevity over advanced local gaming. At number 1, we have the Lenovo IdeaPad 1 laptop. Top pick in this spectrum for under $1,500, it balances budget-conscious design with surprisingly capable performance. Expect a modern CPU paired with 8 to 12 GB of memory and a fast SSD, delivering crisp responses in tasks from light photo editing to casual gaming. The chassis is compact, portable, and easy to carry between classes, while the keyboard remains comfortable for long study sessions. Display quality is adequate for daily usage, with decent brightness and color. The real strength is value. Get solid processing, modern ports, and efficient thermals at a price that leaves room for accessories. Compared to the Acer Chromebook Plus 515, which I have included as number 2 on this list, Lenovo IdeaPad 1 laptop edges ahead on all-round capability, software compatibility, and price per performance.